urban warfare. Snipers and terrorists are occupying houses, turning them into forts from which to launch their devastating attacks on soldiers. Your enemy is protected by the building he's firing from. If you and your buddies attempt to storm that structure, there's a good chance you could be killed. What you need is a weapon that can level it to the ground. Enter the SMAW, the shoulder-mounted assault weapon. It's the infantry marine's best friend. When the Marine Corps needs to take out bad guys in bunkers and fortified positions, they turn to the SMAW. It's versatile, lightweight, and absolutely lethal. It can fire different rockets for different targets. It can take out bunkers, caves, buildings, even tanks. Nothing is safe from this awesome weapon. But it's the all-new SMAW-NE warhead that's really making a difference for the Marines on the ground.
SMAW-NE means novel explosive, which is really a generic name for the explosive that's included in here. What it really is an enhanced blast explosive, a high impulse enhanced blast explosive. It's designed to fracture masonry, heave earth, timbers, whatever out of the way, just basically take the structure out.
It's basically built to unleash absolute havoc, and that's proved perfect for certain types of urban combat. It gives you the capability of taking out an insurgent and sniper without your troops having to enter the building. Plus, it gives you the dual benefit of taking out that fortified position permanently. That way, they can never occupy it again. The SMAW-NE's enhanced blast technology uses high explosives and reactive metals that combine in the air to create destructive blast waves. But the smart thing is that the explosion doesn't let it rip on impact. A fuse delays the actual explosion by a few milliseconds, waiting until the rocket is inside the target so it can cause maximum damage.
The most important part is to get inside the building. So you got to get a fuse that properly senses when you impact the wall and then delays the detonation until you get inside. But on the other hand, if you hit a wall that happens to be 4 feet thick that you can't get through it, you want to make sure that it does still go off, you get some effect, and you don't get unexploded ordnance on the battlefield.
To see if the SMAW-NE is as good as they claim, I'm going to put it to a test for myself. Here in the Arizona desert is a replica of a concrete building snipers used to attack Marines in Iraq.
It's a real McCoy.
Absolutely.
This is a standard tactical NE round.
That's all business, isn't it?
All business. Use your crosshairs about 3/4 the way up the door.
Got it.
Rocket. Back blast area all secure.
Beautiful, brother.
Look at that. One line, was it? That's incredible. Look at that. Here 1 second, gone the next. Watch out, terrorist. Here it comes, the novel explosive.